In the complex world of product manufacturing, differences between engineering and manufacturing structures often require extensive coordination. Imagine a world where your digital product is transformed and synchronized seamlessly across its life cycle, from engineering to manufacturing. A world where understanding new product design changes is simplified and effortlessly incorporated, leading to a continuous, accurate record of your product data. Welcome to the Intelligent Handover capability in SAP PLM, paving the way to streamline transition and smooth productivity. Through Intelligent Handover, engineering change costs are considerably reduced as you can precisely identify and incorporate product design changes directly in the handover of product data from engineering to manufacturing. By facilitating this key transition, Intelligent Handover sets the stage for amplified efficiency, making every step count towards your product's success story. With the Intelligent Handover, rework costs are minimized and discrepancies are better resolved, enabling a smoother transition from engineering to manufacturing. The Change Reconciliation Workbench effectively compares the source EBOM and target MBOM, enables easy viewing of discrepancies, and offers an efficient way to resolve them. Intelligent Handover eliminates potential obstacles in engineering design and production operations, leading to improved digital product data and accelerated production planning. Further enhancing this process, the unique routing mode provides a clear sequence of manufacturing steps, facilitating easy assignment or creation of new routings. Experience the transformative power of SAP's Intelligent Handover. A game changer that minimizes engineering costs, reduces rework, and accelerates your production process. Discover a world of elevated efficiency and supreme product quality like never before. Welcome to the future of efficient data handover with SAP PLM.